What's the deal, everybody? It's JT from Seven Figures Marketing, back with a new video. Today's video, I want to talk about something that a lot of people always ask me. I'm like probably every other day or so. Somebody always reach out and ask me which one is better, Facebook or Bing ads, and they want to know my thoughts on this. So I figure I answer everybody's question in one video. But yeah, man, I want to say first off, with Facebook, I got my little notes down already, as y'all can see. But I got over 3 years of experience with Facebook. I started out with Facebook, had my first success with it. First, $300 a day, $500 a day. Even back when I was doing drop shipping, I was doing Facebook ads, and I had the most success with Facebook. And it just comes with experience and just spending money. But what I can say is Facebook is more complicated compared to Bing because it's a lot of things that you need to learn, and that comes with just experience and just spending money, learning the platform, buying training, watching YouTube videos and things like that. So now it's very, very easy for me to set up campaigns. I know the whole almost Facebook ads ins and out. I know the ins and outs of it at this point. And I can't say it's definitely better targeting options with Facebook. It's just like, I think everybody knows Facebook has the best targeting on the internet. You can get super, super dialed in onto what type of customer you want to reach, things like that. And it just seems like Facebook just has like a unlimited traffic. Like you would seem like you would never run out of people to talk to on Facebook. Facebook I think is in the top. It might be still in the top 3 or top 5 websites in the entire world. So it's definitely unlimited traffic on Facebook. There's people making $40,000-$50,000 a day with affiliate offers on Facebook. So that should tell you it. That should tell it all right there. And yeah, like I said before, I had the most success with Facebook. By far to this date. I'm still running on Facebook, 3-4 years strong now. And I also lost a lot of ad accounts dealing with Facebook in the process. I really haven't lost the ad account since early 2019, but I've been pretty much maintaining my ad accounts that I do have now. Haven't had one go down, like I said, since last year. But Facebook is just like the king of banning accounts. Like a lot of affiliates that I know personally and lost their ad account within the last few months. It's like Facebook been going crazy, trying to get the affiliates out of here and things like that. But that's pretty much my thoughts on Facebook. Now with Bing, what I learned so far is very, very beginner friendly. Like when I first started testing out Bing, like I was getting sales my first time setting up campaign. Like, and it only take me 10 or 15 minutes to actually set up a campaign. It's nothing but just text, a landing page. Don't need a website because when you run a Facebook ads for affiliate offers, you need a landing page, a compliant landing page, and things like that. But with Bing, it's affiliate friendly, so you can actually directly in campaigns without having to build out landing pages, things like that. It's also very, very easy to set up campaigns. Like I just mentioned, it only take you 10 to 15 minutes. And even me, just starting out on Bing, it was very, very easy for me to set it up. I watched probably a couple YouTube videos and I was up and running. Just like that. Yeah, Bing is less strict than Facebook. Like I said, all these pretty much go hand in hand with each other. It's beginner friendly, very easy to set up the campaigns. You can direct link, they're less strict. It's just very, very, it's just like the perfect network if you're starting out, especially coming into 2020. A lot of y'all know I've been testing out Bing ads heavy. I'm going to be adding into the elite course because right now, I want to offer the best training on the internet when it comes to paid traffic and affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, things like that. Now, what I want to do is show y'all a little bit of my spending, between Facebook and Bing so far. As you can see on this, now this is the one that I've been using since last year, and so far as you can see, I spent about a little over $8,000 in this Facebook profile. Definitely spend way more than that throughout my lifetime of running Facebook ads. So, of course, I have more experience with Facebook spending this much money on there. And actually a lot of profit from this $8,000 ad spend. And if we go over to Bing, you can see so far I done spent about $400 lifetime. And that's just with this because I got 2 different accounts in my Bing. But this one, $400, and Facebook has spent $8,000. So y'all can see where the experience comes from, the success and all that stuff, and just knowing so much about Facebook, 3 years in. But I'm hoping, I am going to get the experience with Bing come 2020. And yeah, I want to be the best marketer, the best coach, the best affiliate, all of that as I can be. So that's one of my major goals this year is really just to master both of these platforms and even mastering YouTube ads. But that's not what we talk about in this video. But yeah, man, I just wanted to share with y'all my thoughts on these two different platforms. Both of them is great. One thing y'all have to know about any of these traffic sources, there's always somebody making at least. It's people making hundreds, thousands a day on each platform. I wouldn't say it's a better traffic source. You know, one traffic source is good for one thing, the other one might be good for another. Like I feel like Bing ads is more tailored towards older demographic because I don't know too many young people that even know. A lot of people know about Bing, but they not using it. Their main search engine is Google or YouTube or something like that. Most people don't use Bing. The people that do use Bing is, like I said, older people with more money, more than likely. And Facebook, you'll find a little bit of everybody on there. But like I said, both traffic sources is great. You can make hundreds of thousands a day on either one. Really doesn't matter. So I don't really have a favorite. If you want to go with a more beginner-friendly network, easy to set up, affiliate-friendly, all that good stuff, run with Bing. And with Facebook, like I said, like I mentioned, it's just more complicated. But with me having the experience of a few years, running paid traffic, spending thousands and thousands of dollars, it's very, very easy for me now to set up these campaigns and see success with it. But if I had to pick between these two traffic sources, I would probably go with Facebook. For obvious reasons. But yeah, man, I just wanted to share with y'all my thoughts on these two traffic sources. Test both of them out. What works for me might not work for you. What works for you might not work for me. So it's just a matter of testing and just spending some money at the end of the day and running these campaigns. But that's all I got for this video, and I will see y'all in the next.